Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit a subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out a latest content. So in today's video, we were tackling a frustrating issue that many PS5 Slim users encounter, being stuck on the loading screen. So let's jump right into the solutions. So, your PS5 Slim is stuck on the loading screen and you are unable to access your games or app. Not to worry, we have got some troubleshooting steps that can help you to get back to your gaming in no time. So here's what you can do. So the first solution is power cycle PS5 Slim. Turn off the PS5 Slim completely by pressing the power button until it's beep and plug the PS5 Slim from the wall outlet and wait out about 1 to 2 minutes and then plug the PS5 Slim back into the wall outlet and turns on the PS5 Slim and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Restart PS5 Slim in safe mode. Press and hold the power button on the console until you hear 2 beep. And connect the controller to the console using a USB cable and press the PS5 button on the controller and then select Restart PS5 from the option. This will restart your PS5 Slim. Solution 3. Clear the cache memory. Press and hold the power button on the console until you hear 2 beep and connect the controller to the console using a USB cable. And press the PS button on the controller and select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database from the option. And then select Clear Cache and wait for the process to complete. And then PS5 Slim will restart and check the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Update PlayStation 5 Slim. Turn on the PS5 Slim and connect it to the internet and then go to settings and systems, and here you will see system software, and then go to system software updates and settings, and update will appear if a newer version is available, and then select update software and wait for the process to complete, and then restart the PS5 Slim and check if the issue is resolved or not. Solution 5. Rebuild the database. Press and hold the power button on the console until you hear 2 beep and then connect the controller to the console using a USB cable. And then press the PS button on the controller and then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database from the option. And then select Rebuild Database and wait for the process to complete. And then see PS5 will start and check if the issue is resolved or not. So, and there you have it. We hope these tips will help resolve the issue of PS5 being stuck on the loading screen. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gamers. If you have any question or need more help, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next video. Goodbye and happy gaming.